Welcome back to the channel. My name's Adil and today's video is all about this Aston Martin Rapide. The product that we're talking about today is something called Target Blu Eye. However, this vehicle has had an extensive list of different upgrades carried out on it. So there will be lots of other bits of content on this particular car, and the list of upgrades is literally endless. I don't know how many videos we're filming today of the different upgrades, but the product today is all about Target Blu Eye. So Target Blu Eye, if you haven't heard of it before, is an emergency service warning device. So it alerts you by a visual and audible tone of approaching marked and unmarked vehicles. Yes, it is as good as it sounds. I hate driving a car without it, and it is absolutely phenomenal. Once you've used the system in a car, there is honestly, every car you drive after that has to have one in. So what is the product and how does it work? So at the moment, emergency service vehicles actually use something called Tetra to communicate, and this product, all it does is it picks up on that. It doesn't distinguish between an ambulance or an unmarked car or a police car, and that's what keeps it completely legal. So there's an antenna that sits in a front bumper, that's a physical cable run all the way into a control box, and then that goes up into a display. However, as you guys know from our channel, if you've seen the product that we've installed before or checked it out on our Instagram page, Target Blu Eye, what we actually do is integrate it into the factory rear view mirror. So we've actually dismantled the Aston Martin Rapide factory mirror, taken it all apart, relocated the actual PCB board from Target Blu Eye into that factory mirror, mounted little buttons so everything is out of sight and it's all integrated in. That visual alert is now installed into the factory rear view mirror, which is absolutely wicked. So it basically goes from green to red as you approach marked and unmarked vehicles, or they approach you. And you've got a range of around about 1 kilometer, which is really impressive as well. This product is predominantly used and works really well on motorways. However, obviously in cities, there's a lot of emergency service vehicles around. So there are 2 separate modes that you can use. There's city mode and highway mode. So whenever you are on a motorway, you can flick over and go to highway, which is an increased sensitivity and an increased distance for the product. Bear in mind, guys, this product is completely legal to have installed in your vehicle and use, and I use it myself on a daily basis, and I wouldn't want to drive a car without it. Once you actually understand how the system works, how you go through, how the install's done, and how it works when you're driving it, it is honestly something that you won't be able to live without. So overall, a fantastic solution added onto the Aston Martin Rapide. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're interested in having this system installed on your vehicle, and as you guys know, we've done lots of other cars with Target Blu Eye, but if you're interested in having it installed on your vehicle, just reach out to us. We've got a whole page separate on our website for Target Blu Eye with a little bit more information, as well as a little bit more in-depth dive about how it works with the Tetra system and future-proofing it for the ESN changeover. So thank you once again for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.